guys! Today I'm in Kabagabaga learning how to change the oil on my Royal Enfield Classic 500. The tools we're going to be using are a number 8 socket wrench, a number 12 spanner and a number 19 spanner. Just FYI, M Hotel in town has a wide range of spanners. You're also going to need a bowl to collect the oil in. First of all, we're going to undo the largest bolt in the centre of the oil tank. Leave it to drain for a while whilst you make friends with the local wildlife and enjoy the view. When the flow of oil has stopped, or near enough, use the socket wrench to undo the 3 little bolts on the side. Take out the filter and let that drain. Don't lose the rubber seals. Next, use the smaller spanner to undo the bolt at the very front. Again, let that drain. Take the socket wrench again and undo these 2 screws here. This does get a little messy. Remove the filter. By now, you should have amassed a nice pile of parts. Undo the oil cap and give everything a wipe down. Make sure you don't lose any of the nuts and bolts. Clean the main filter up and put it back in. Don't forget the rubber seal. Push it in firmly and make sure all 3 bolts are securely attached. Clean the smaller filter that you removed from underneath and the 2-screw plate that keeps it in place. Again, don't lose the rubber seal. This bit's slightly tricky because it's hard to see what you're doing, but pop the filter back in and hold it in place with the metal plate. Good luck getting the screws back in. You might want to move the bowl of used oil in case you drop the pieces. Once it's in, secure the screws tightly. Clean up and replace the front bolt. Then do the same for the large central bolt, using the spanner to tighten it. Huge shout out to my friend Bertin. He trained with Royal Enfield and runs the only repair shop for them in Rwanda. These bikes are part of a tourism fleet at Pili Pili. The old fleet is getting sold off, and a new fleet is set to arrive at the beginning of 2026. The tours are run in partnership with Vintage Rides, who organise classical motorbike rides around the world. This is the oil that we're putting back in the bike. We're filling it up with 2.5 litres. It's recommended that you perform a full oil change every 3,000 kilometres.
That looks fun. I want to do that.
Finish washing.
Just pour the fresh oil into the top of the oil tank. A funnel might be helpful here, but double check that all of the bolts are back in place before you do this. Otherwise, it'll just trickle out at the bottom again. Finally, replace the oil cap. Bertin is also giving the air filter a clean. Open the triangular panel on the side. He's using a number 30 socket wrench to remove the protective cover. And lifting off the air filter. The box gets cleaned out with soapy water to remove any dust. Then dry it off with a towel. The air filter cover also gets a rinse. It's left to drip dry. Today, my air filter doesn't need replacing, but is giving it a tap to get rid of any excess dust. The air filter should be replaced every 5.5 to 6,000 kilometres, so 2 oil changes to each air filter. Then everything goes back in the bike. And is securely attached. Before I head home, Bertin's giving my bike a proper wash down. I think I want to do that for a living. It looks like a lot of fun. Time to head home. If this has been helpful, please consider a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.